Hi guys, so your Friday assignment, what you're going to do, remember always go in modules. So in modules down here at the bottom is this Friday assignment 10-9 weathering and erosion pictures. This hopefully will be really easy for you. If not, it's okay because I have instructions on how to download things and stuff like that. So weathering and erosion pictures. So click on that. And what you're going to do is you're going to take two pictures of weathering erosion around your neighborhood and or home. So you'll need two pictures of weathering and two pictures of erosion. Remember, weathering is the breaking down of rocks. So let's say you have gravel in your driveway. Perfect example of weathering. Okay, let's say you have in the neighborhood park, there's like a rock that's like has a crack in it or something like that. That is another perfect example of weathering. Let's say you have a crack in your sidewalk. Weathering, okay? Lots, anytime rock is getting broken down, weathering, okay? From big pieces to little pieces. Two pictures of erosion. So that can be like, oh, when you turn on your faucet and the water carries all like the dirty stuff down the sink. Or when, maybe you have a canal, like an irrigation canal outside your house, and the water is the irrigation water is running, how that carries things. So erosion can be wind, water. Glacier will be pretty impressive if you find a picture of that, because we don't really have a ton of we don't have any glaciers in the valley. So wind, or the wind, like blowing, like, so taking a picture of like the wind, like the trees, the wind blowing through the trees type of thing, and how the wind is blowing and it's taking particles and stuff with it. Okay, so you can take pictures on your phone if you want to take them with your Chromebook. I put how to take pictures on your Chromebook here. You can use your Chromebook camera, or how you can add pictures and how you add pictures into your Google Doc. So if you take them on your phone, the easiest way is to save it to your Google Drive and then add it from your Google Drive. That's the easiest way. So when you go into like insert, and you can do image, and you can upload it from your computer, or you can also do it from your drive. Google Photos is really nice too because it makes it really easy. Oh, and you can actually just take a picture right there with the camera. So that makes it even easier. So lots of different options there. And then you just have to submit it when you're done. All right, have a great day, guys. Happy end of the quarter.